The imported geology table is displayed in the scene. We see in a couple places that there are segments missing. We will address these missing segments through fixing errors in the imported table. Right-click on the WHGL table. Select Fix Errors. We can see we have two overlapping segments errors. This means that overlapping intervals down the hole contain conflicting information. Click on the arrow to expand the error. Click the arrow for the WHGL table. Click on the first row to see the first set of overlapping segments. We can see here that there was a simple data entry error in the decimal places. After verifying the correct entry, we can change the value directly in this interval table. In this case, we will change 134.96 to 134.969. Double-click the From column in row 88 to edit the cell. Type 134.969, then click anywhere outside of that cell to confirm the value change. Click on the second error row to see the second overlapping segment. In this case, we can see another decimal error. Double-click the From column in row 95 to edit the cell. Type 134.675, then click away from the cell to confirm the change. Click Save to save your changes and fix the overlapping segments. You can see we no longer have any errors in the geology table, but we still have several warnings. Click on the arrow to expand the No Samples for Caller warning. Click on the arrow to expand the WHGL table. Click on the first warning row to see its warning. We see an empty panel. This hole, WH001, does not have any logged lithology records in the table that we imported. The remaining warnings are related to the remainder of the holes without logged lithology. Click the X to close the Errors tab. You can now see the red exclamation point has changed to an orange one, indicating that there are warnings on the table, but that the errors have been resolved.